Great news! The Sira mobile kiosk is now operational at Umlazi Mega City Mall, bringing essential Sira services closer to you. Collect your approved Sira certificate and identification card quickly, conveniently, and closer to home. Here's how it works. First, pay for your certificate or card online. Once your payment is complete, you'll automatically be redirected to book your branch visit. Simply select the Umlazi mobile kiosk and collect your certificate or card on your confirmed booking date. Remember, no payment, no booking.
It is GTV, powered by World Sports Betting. It is gtimes.co.za. Second game, MTN 8 for the current season, 2026-2027 season. Lucas Masterpieces Modipe Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns is begeleke indawo kwi-semi-finals MTN 8 ilandela ke iqela ebelidlale earlier on Orlando Pirates nayo ke ezibekele indawo kwi-semi-finals. There's two games ezodlala ke ngomso, AmaZulu and Sekhukhune. There's also Kaizer Chiefs later on FNB Stadium. Ngumdlalo noko ezawutakisa inhlanhla, especially umdlalo wango 6 o'clock. Kaizer Chiefs making their return to MTN 8 after a couple of seasons not playing it. But namhlanje Lucas Masterpieces Modipe Stadium, Sundowns is betheleke iPolokwane City ngamanqaku amabini. I-debutants, but ASB debutant noko bekwadlala Sundowns before. Excuse me. Van Wyk ukorile. I just forgot the second one. Junior, yamazi ngubani ukorile lesibili?
Utebukhulu Mkwena.
No, it is Sundowns, lesibili.
Yeah,
The winning
Utebukhulu
goal.
Mkwena.
No, it's not him.
Mkwena ngitusha Mkwena.
No, I'm saying about the second goal. I mean the third goal. Sorry, yeah, the third goal.
Umayilula ngithi.
Uthini wase?
Khona lethi.
Yes.
Yeah.
La celebration namhlanje akhange ucelebrate goal. Ngibone uhleka mhlobo wami. Ubuhleka nje le yesithathu, igoal yesithathu.
Uyayazi le?
Well, sorry, the goal is it was 2-2 in 90 minutes, but Sundowns stealing it late in the game. Junior, let's dive into it. Sundowns and Polokwane City. Ubone njani umdlalo namhlanje mfowethu?
Yeah, well done. Congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns. But man, a disappointing game. Shane, expect a lot from Sundowns. These are African champions. You understand? We're talking about the CAF. A lot of quality players at Sundowns. Congratulations, nalo muntu identify ukuthi Mayilula must be brought back. Yabona ukuthatha that decision. Big impact enzile. Going to the game, a typical cup game. Honestly, I can say that. The other team is Lucas Moripe, respecting Mamelodi Sundowns. First 30 minutes. I think Polokwane City bedlale low block. Mamelodi Sundowns all over. It was like a training session. You understand? Sundowns, I think, scoring first.
Polokwane City scored first. Yeah.
I mean to say, Polokwane City scoring first.
Sure.
But Sundowns nabo ingcakile the way ba consider ngakhona. You bring so many players. Ngikhuluma nge Sundowns bonke nje. Those are experienced players. And then Polokwane City they send only 4 players, and then you can't defend that ball. Nalo muntu okorile le ngwenya le korile bola le receiver iba nesikhathi sonke sokureceiver le bola.
Trapped was Lungisa.
Not even same time. First time, Melbourne, and then he shoots wall driver like Lamba past the ball. It was a goal, but poor defense from Mamelodi Sundowns. I think I'm a set piece problem. Gibo, ngoba ne second goal by conceding a set piece. We understand very very poor from Mamelodi Sundowns. I think after conceding a goal, the mindset yabe changile. Yabo baqale ba move Sundowns coming to this game. Njoba ngisho a game. For me, it's like, Sundowns, even if you score first against them, they don't lose how they play. The identity I'm talking about, Sundowns, they're very patient. In today, after Babakora, they continue to play. But there was a lot of movement after Sundowns conceding a goal. Movement of the ball now, I think, much better. Also, Sundowns into Egmeli Lung is going forward in Kulma this season. Lentole, I think they were lacking even last season. They needed players that I'm a player Abu Masego, about this boy and Adam Fana one Otladisa. I think they needed those players. For me, they need such players who's got speed, football intelligence.
is it? Are you saying Otladisa?
Kgodisang.
Kgodisang, sorry.
I mean
Yeah,
to say,
yeah, sorry.
they needed to Kgodisang, they needed to Mabaso. Ulo Masego is Sundowns.
Yeah.
For me, I think they needed those players. Players who got speed, football intelligent, technically very good. Also, 10 defense. But in order for you to create 10 defense, you need to take players on. Ukudlala ama-1-2, ukuya behind the defense. But mazodlala in front of the defense.
But Mhlambe Junior, you don't think Mhlambe as a players? I know the players you just mentioned are quality players, especially Maseko. We saw him go to World Cup.
Yeah.
But do you think those are the kind of players that Sundowns, the players the Sundowns rely kuzo, not to rely heavily,
Yeah.
but the players as figures as the impact, the players as the speed, because you know Sundowns ukuthi ayo team that runs a lot, team nogo share ball. So do you think as a player Mhlambe one of the reasons Mhlambe singazali Sundowns because of their style of play Mhlambe I see suit Mhlambe Sundowns?
I mean, I'm surprised about these players. They can't read. I mean, Mabok sign now a player. If you've got speed, you can run when it's necessary. You can limit your speed. You understand? And not to say, but these are not athletes.
Yeah.
Ngiyazi ukuthi footballers, they call them athletes as well. Mina ngikhuluma ngabo ukuthi bagijima marathon and stuff, about 100 meters, 200 meters, 1.2k. I'm talking about these are footballers. Mele ku easy. It's a system team.
Yeah.
Akusi more of individual brilliance believe team. Yabona njengabo Pirates uyabona ukuthi yes they play as a team but they allow players to express themselves. For Sundowns you hardly hear that because you defend as a team, you attack as a team. Yabo, you circulate the ball. But players noma ngabe nikwazi ukugijima. Just in fact you need to think, use your mind. Mina I'm surprised angazorelenta ama tactics nalento coach ngabo a laptop. Players mele they need to solve problems. Go easy if you bring Masego there. Masego need to adjust. If you coach him properly now as a player, professional football, it's very easy for him to adjust. Sometimes yes, it's ball circulator.
Yeah.
Ngizomove and play. Ngizozicreate space. Kunama moment whereby they need abantu abanjengabo Masego. Nalomchito Kgodisang. Njoba ngisho you need such players. You need to go behind the defense. Otherwise nodlala the whole day. You'll find the team idlala low block is going to be difficult for you to break that team. Njenga namhlanje iPhulukwane City icishe aba frustrated these guys.
Yeah.
Because iPhulukwane City they came to this game badlala low block from the first whistle. After go and like bapushe Sundowns phela they never created so many chances iPhulukwane City.
Yeah.
You understand? They considered bakore ngama set piece. Any set piece it's anybody's ball.
Yeah.
Yes, ngayibiza ngelakhi lezo zinto. But Sundowns and Pirates defense yabo bane problem ngama set piece. You understand? And Sundowns after conceding mina njoba ngisho Sundowns they don't change how they play. Aba change Shane. Whether they concede banendlela okudlala.
Sorry to bahlala kancane kule ndawo yongakwazi udefend set pieces. You think mhlawumbe is a matter of not having the right profile yokudefenda set pieces? Okanye mhlawumbe do you think these two teams as focus kakhulu kwindaba yokudefenda, they focusing more on the attack? And not that abayihoyanga, every team uzayihoya obviously indaba ye defense, but do you think mhlawumbe let's say bathi 90% of the time they want to attack, that is why sometimes they find themselves vulnerable at the back?
Yeah, most of Pirates and Sundowns they sign quality players. And most are ball players. Mawungababheka aba defender ngama midfielders. Yes, babiza ngama defender but they defend with midfielders. Players who can build at the back. Lo mfana uSiyama can play as a defensive midfielder. Ngiyambona mina noma ngakaza idlali but I can tell. Vision, awareness, the way he read the game, technically how good he is. You understand? It means it's a defensive midfielder. He can play there.
Yeah.
So mawubheka na these guys abo keep it bo Sundowns ukubheka nabo especially nje ithi ngithi Sundowns even Oprimdiba as well can play in the midfield. You can tell he's a midfield.
He's played midfield. Yeah.
Yes, but defender ngama midfield. You understand? So those are players abangathanda. There's a say ethi ama attacking players they can't defend. If I defend about fouler. You understand? They can't even run. Kufana na noma ku set piece. Ungamnika umuntu ukuthi just go and stick to toe. When we set piece just come back noma uyattack uhlale no toe because height iyalingana. And you can jump. You understand? Uzomlahlekela toe because in mindset, remember this guy just to tell you.
Yeah.
They used to play football. Most into abaduela ngabo Sundowns abo Pirates is to play football.
Yeah.
Abo small sided true Shane. They focus kulento yabo accuracy, ama pass accuracy, small sided abo 11v11. into abafocusa kuyo ama-set pieces ama-team amancane afocusa kulezo zinto their coaches abanjengabo Gordon ika-St. Kevin ithinga into Gavin Hunt they rely i-set pieces half of it's penalty half of a chance i-set piece abo throw in yabo so these teams bona they believe ukuthi thina wini i-strength set is to play so they hardly abakwazi ukudefenda they can't defend and then it's become a problem Shane imagine bakora kanje and then i-team yami yohlala at the back and then ama team they sit at the back njenganamhlanje almost this team they always go to penalties ngikhuluma nge-Pirates and Sundowns yeah understand lento njengaleyo hence ngisho mina especially ngikhuluma nangale Sundowns beba need ama-player that can turn their defense bebadlala uyazi ukumove iball around in front of the team Phulukwane sithi thank you they never created so many chances phela ngikhuluma nga-clear cut chances Sundowns and it's more frustrating mangabe ndlala kanje bekumele kube khona uMaseko at least he's got speed means impact player ke bring him soon enough
but I don't think Umaseko masimbale Junior because from what we are hearing I think our journalist Lawrence Kohler or Makongo one of them I think both of them became bathetha ngendaba ukuthi Umaseko might go yeah so I don't think uthetha ngaye ngoku I don't think Mhlambe izokwenza sense because he's not going to play for Sundowns this season. But how long do you think it will take when Junior after ubukele lo mdlalo we Sundowns namhlanje how long do you think it will take for ezi players sanofika ukuthi zijele nezi players kudala zikhona ku Sundowns before iSundowns yazi ukuthi la main machine siyazi
yeah well done to this guy just ukuphendula well done to this guy Van Wyk to score
yeah
but kuzomthatha isikhathi ukujela naye you can tell umuntu ofuna ukudlala i-typical player se-Cape Town you understand the player badlala we play 1-2 we play behind the defense we use your speed kick the ball either you cross first time or you go direct sepalini a typical Cape Town player abo Depreez when you come to la in Joburg and then you struggle so kuzomthatha isikhathi yabo I won't be surprised akwamanye amagame bamqale ngaphandle wonke until he adjust you understand ajele but lo mfana lo umkwena very good player a player to watch in future very skillful dynamic petty football intelligent and a vision awareness yonke into uyalazi ibhola and mina mfethu I love playing a quick feet I hate playing ngana quick feet abo dribbling is too yazi maphethe quick feet is very easy body wave so le mfana uyamastara le position number 10 you just need to play regularly uyabona match fitness ukuthi umfana kunenkinga match fitness lo angeke umthatha isikhathi ukuthi aclick uzoclicka ku Sundowns is not going to take long and well done
you mean Mailula
no I'm talking about lo uqala igame lo umkwena
Peter Bukena
yeah lo number 10
okay.
And then Mailula top striker I mean you don't need a height to be a top striker ngihlali ngisho mina big team ele badlale More skillful is striker. He remind me of Romario lamfana.
You and your Brazilians.
Ngisifeva kakhulu. Yeah, indaba ziziprovile. Ngiyazi ukuthi manje kunento ekumele sizilungise. So uMailula a typical South African striker whereby he can kick about feet. He can receive, he can. So well done to Sundowns, honestly, Shane. But that's a game, not one of the best game for Sundowns. And well done to Phulukwane Sithi is loyal, especially Lucas Moripe. And congratulations to Sundowns to go all the way.
Thank you so much, Junior. That's Junior Kanye. Besibukele kunye ke lo mdlalo second semi-final ye MTN 8 for this current season. And lapho ke Sundowns uzibekele indawo kwi semi-finals ze MTN 8. We don't know if mhlawumbe it might be tomorrow after the Kaizer Chiefs game or maybe on Monday. But it has to be made. Draw yes semi-finals. Orlando Pirates are through, Sundowns are through. Waiting for Ngomso between Isikhukhune and Amazulu, and also Kaizer Chiefs tomorrow. And the Golden Arrows umdlalo zabadlala lapha ke FNB Stadium ngo6 o'clock saniphathela ke nayo ke analysis yalo umdlalo. But from myself and Junior Lucas Masterpieces Modipe Stadium, it's Sundowns 3 Phulukwane City 2. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.